I just turned my rough sketch into stunning digital art using Adobe Firefly. Here's exactly how I did it in minutes. Sketching by hand captures raw creativity and unique composition, but Adobe Firefly transforms rough sketches into polished artwork instantly. This workflow eliminates tedious digital rendering while preserving your artistic vision. It's perfect for concept artists, illustrators, and designers who want to iterate fast without losing the human touch. Start with a clean scan or photo of your sketch at high resolution. Upload it to Adobe Firefly's generative fill feature. The key is having clear line work and good contrast. Avoid overly detailed shading. Let Firefly handle that. We have overly detailed. I use a simple black pen on white paper for maximum clarity and control. This is where magic happens. Describe your style, mood, and details. Oil painting style, warm sunset lighting, detailed textures. Be specific about medium, color palette, and atmosphere. Firefly generates multiple variations instantly. I typically refine 2-3 versions, then blend them in Adobe Photoshop for the final result. Each iteration takes seconds. Once satisfied, refine minor details in Photoshop, adjust colors, add shadows, enhance lighting, export as high-res PIN or BC Word portfolios and client work. This hybrid workflow combines human creativity with eye efficiency, cutting production time by 70% while maintaining artistic quality. Love this workflow? So drop a comment about your favorite A tool.